Well, in the race it was not very solid, well, till hurdle 8, and then it was kind of messy, but I'm glad I could hold on and finish first. That was most important, so very happy.
Yeah, my shape are pretty good now, and I feel that I can throw far. So yeah, it felt really good, the whole competition. I think it was a great race today, and I learned much about it. Yeah, I was pretty nervous until the end because a girl, she just followed me, and I didn't expect that. So yeah, but I think it was a very nice race because yeah.
Thank you! I feel it's like unreal. I have to realize it because I think it's unreal. It's crazy. I'm so happy, really. I just cannot believe it. Yesterday I started to feel myself like a good athlete, because 2 years I couldn't reach my personal best, and it started to eat myself from inside. But yesterday the track helped me, and I believed in myself, and